Hey everyone, imagine creating cinematic scenes, dynamic camera shots, and scroll stopping visuals, all powered by AI video technology and without expensive camera gear or a film crew. In today's video, I am introducing you to Higgsfield, a powerful and emerging platform that many creators are calling a free AI video generator and one of the cheapest AI platforms for producing cinematic style visuals. Whether you are a YouTuber, reel creator, filmmaker, or storyteller, Higgsfield AI lets you turn simple ideas into stunning video style scenes in minutes. Let's see how it works. Today, in this video, I will show how Kling 3.0, the next generational AI video model, helps turn scripts, images, references, and audio into fully structured cinematic experiences. Built on a native multimodal training framework, it combines multi-shot direction, native audio, element consistency, and 15-second continuous generation, all in a single model. We'll do this using the Higgsfield AI. To begin with, first go to higgsfield.ai. Now, if you haven't signed up on higgsfield.ai and brought their subscription, do check the sign up link in the video description. Get some extra discount on the subscription offer on Higgsfield AI. Right. So once done with that, sign in and then go to video. Right. Once you go to video, select the Kling 3.0 model, and now all you have to do is give your prompt over here. As you can see, I have already used it multiple times, but I will just give a prompt. Right. So this is a prompt. So the prompt is a cinematic action scene in a rainy modern city at dusk. A woman stands under a building, yawning, lighting a cigarette while heavy rain falls. Suddenly, an explosion erupts in a nearby building, flames and smoke filling the street. Cut to a fast motorcycle speeding through wet streets, reflections on asphalt, burning cars, debris, and chaos. Dramatic lighting, cinematic color grading, handheld camera feel, realistic motion, shallow depth of field, ultra realistic, film style 4K, high detail, dynamic camera movement. If you see, I have given a detailed prompt, making it easier, hopefully, for the Kling 3.0 model to generate the video. All the scenes have been described in very detailed manner. So, and all you have to do is, so you can see the duration. Maybe I will increase the duration to, right, and you can click on generate. You can select the resolution, you can select the aspect ratio as well, whichever format you want in, for the long video or for YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. You can select that, and once you are done selecting all the models, just click on generate. After some time, once the video is generated, it will appear over here. You can see the output now. Now what we'll do is, we'll do another video creation using a prompt. Now again, I'm giving an action sequence prompt. Right, so if you see, I'm giving cinematic interior scene of a modern bedroom at night transitioning to early morning. A woman sits on a bed near a window, soft warm light illuminating the room. Suddenly a powerful explosion occurs outside the window, glasses shattering and debris flying into the room. Curtains move violently, dust and particles in the air, dramatic lighting, realistic physics, cinematic camera movement, ultra realistic film look, high detail, shallow depth of field, dynamic motion. You can select the elements if you are creating anything. It's a logo, it's a character which you have created. You can add duration, you can modify, as I shared earlier. Also, you can select even higher resolution, but it takes slow generation. So I selected this, and once you click on generate, I will directly showcase the output because I've created this one. So that was the prompt, and the output is, now imagine combining everything. Kling 3.0 creates a cinematic experience. Kling 2.6 audio gives you the atmosphere and voiceover for the scene. And WAN 2.5 all heads on the bench, eyes sharp, say less. You want shine, young blood, you gotta earn. Add stylized motion feel. You now get a YouTube intro scene which feels like coming straight out of a film studio, built entirely with AI.
If you are a creator who wants to make their content look more cinematic, immersive, and professional, Higgsfield AI is the tool which you are looking for and should surely try out. Try experimenting with the Nano Banana Pro for cinematic scenes, or the Kling 2.6 audio for adding voiceovers and atmospheres and environment, and Wine 2.0 for stylized makeovers of cinematic motion, and start building scenes that truly stand out.